Alright, so we have a slight update for what we had at the time, and to show a bit of a fix for the temperature light since we had no indication of when the engine was overheating along with the temperature gauge. Despite our efforts, we couldn't get the light illuminated regardless of what we had attempted. We had tried shorting out the circuit and still the light did not come on. We had then traced the wiring from the car to try to figure out what was going on. It turned out that the wiring was just fine, and then we traced it all the way over here, which we had then discovered that the trace had a break within the flexible printed circuitry here. Just as a little fix to get this working properly, we had decided to bridge the gap with some solder. It was thereafter that we had made sure that the connection was fixed and was finally able to illuminate the temperature light. Please stay tuned for other little updates for this little project.